In Lebanon, every time activists or journalists talk about any case of corruption or criticize someone from the government, they use up their power to follow this person and illegally follow him with the police of cybercrime, despite the fact it's very clear they don't have the right. So pressure on activists and journalists during this, and what happened usually when he was invited to investigation at the police station, so he will be forced to delete the post or sign a pledge not to criticize, for example, the government or someone from the government, before the case even referred to the court. So he will find himself and he was obliged to sign the pledge. If not, he will be arrested and later on the case will be referred to the courts. So the use of judicial authority as a tool to suppress freedom of expression. We noticed some people, because they, for example, talk about some cases related to the presidents, they were invited to the cybercrime because it's a misdemeanor by the law and they were invited. There is a lack of accountability for attacks against journalists, such the assassination of journalist Isam Abdallah, for example, which remains unpunished 2 years on. My colleague talked about Qaradawi. Yes, he was deported from Lebanon without the right to any fair request of protection. And Lebanon, he was obliged, because we are part of and ratified CAT Convention. So Qaradawi had the right to claim protection based on the CAT Convention, and we have law against torture in Lebanon. But the deportation was arbitrary and swiftly. So even the lawyers didn't have the time to do something and to stop the deportation.